Hi, beautiful people. I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for every single soul that is stepping in a little bit further into the healing path, the healing journey, with all the surprises that it brings. Thank you so much, I'm here to have the audacity to step further, always, to seek for the truth. Thank you for this leap of faith that is bringing you closer to the source, God, source, frequency, divine intelligence. For those of you that are new, my name is Sophia. I am a shaman, a mental health counselor. I am here on this planet to help you raise your Kundalini, your serpent fire, and to take your authority back. Everything that belongs to you by divine right, divine order, bringing back this balance here. Sovereignty. I'm working very closely to Mahat, the goddess of divine justice, divine order. I'm a high priestess here to bring back the ancient wisdom, helping you stay away from the fears, the attacks, the devil, the game of the mind, everything that is separating you from God's source energy, experiencing the good, the joy, the dreams, the pleasure that the universe has for you. Yeah. There is something that is new and you just took this risk. You took this leap of faith. And this is very protected out there. It's giving a very big, bold movement. So maybe you've been taking this risk to dig deeper into who you truly are, trying something new, and it's working. It's working, yeah, and it's bringing a lot of joy. You see, again, with the number 1, this year is a 9 year and next year is a year 1. It's new cycles. It's new, everything about new. And this month of December is bringing so much closure. It is extremely intense. It is extremely powerful, again, because it is the Christ oil that is going through your entire spine to deliver the sacred secretion into your third eye, bringing the breakthrough, bringing the epiphany for you to remember who you are a little bit more. But this month specifically, it's marking the end of the old self, and you're very guided. I'm seeing around a lot of endings and new beginnings, and this is bringing ultimately power. Someone out there, you may have done a cord cutting, said bye to a family member, and actually I got the indecision and the speculation, and what it's telling me is that number 7 is divinely guided. This rupture I'm hearing, this closure that just happened in your life, you were like very indecisive into it. It took a lot of courage for you to act. I'm hearing it was again divinely protected. It's as if you stayed for so long indecisive. You were extremely tested. Okay, your fears were around and literally took over your brain. I'm hearing you imagined worst case scenario. That's something that very strongly that I get. And also there is massive abandonment and rejection wounds that is transmuting into the collective. You're discovering something new about yourself because you put your guards off. You're deciding to go further and admit that you were in denying mode for a very long time. And this is bringing something new. And this is going to talk to someone out there. New. I cannot make this up. This is birth. This is birthing the new you, because you're not in confrontation anymore. You're literally, getting, I'm hearing all the pieces of the puzzle together, which is your own puzzle. You're not trying to reject the darkest of the darkest part of yourself, but embracing instead. And this is bringing ultimate fortune. This is bringing the abundance, because again, you're the whole self, and you've been telling yourself a scenario that kept you stuck for so long. And today you're deciding to embrace fully who you truly are. And again, this is the ultimate key to abundance. This is a powerful, powerful card. Here I have the companionship. When you're experiencing the darkest time, this is a test from God, wanting to see if you're going to grab your own hand, because unfortunately no one can do it for you. Obviously you can be surrounded by souls that are benevolent, but ultimately God wants to see if in the darkest time you're going to be gentle with yourself, and you have no idea the power of allowing yourself to say I love you to yourself, basically in the most intense time. If you want to step further, if you want to know the real self, if you're ready to step further and meet yourself, the true authentic self, remember who you truly are. I've been gifted the 7 keys of God. They're going to help you literally cut with everything that is not love, light, and truth, bringing justice and hearing and order, bringing your power back, your identity back, your soul back. And through powerful masterclass, I'm going to literally help you erase your fears for you to align with joy, abundance, love, the real love, the love of God, stepping into your true authentic self. You can click on my website. Whoa. This is the most powerful card of the deck. This is the Ark of Covenant. This is literally the biggest confirmation. This is the Saint Graal. You see, this is when you take your power back. Again, this is allowing you to remember who you were. It was 11:11 on the screen when I was saying that. Taking your power back is the only duty that you have. I'm hearing it's nothing about like creating and like building a legacy. It's just remembering that this legacy already exists, and the only thing that you have to do is take your power back to be able to shine again. Everything is already there. You just have to remember, and I'm here to help you. Bottom of the deck, I have the Akashic record. That's my gift. I tap into the Akashic records for you. I dig deeper into your past, into this lifetime, any other lifetime, to be able to identify the curse, the issue, the wound, the emotion that is trapped somewhere in your DNA, to be able to extract it, transmute it, operate a past revision for this to never happen in yourself or in your lineage. And this is going to ultimately create a bright future for you. This is very intense. This is very beautiful. And you are so powerful. You're majestic. You're almost there. You're almost free. I'm beyond grateful to be able to share a bit of your path with you today. And until next time, namaste.